Hello, I'm Kimmo from Picote Training Center, Porvoo, Finland. And here we have the Picote Push Rods. This is the multifunctional push rod, so you can use it with the connection collar system, packers and the grabber head. I have the black one, and this is 22 millimeters for most of the installations inside the houses. And then here we have the gray one, it's 24 millimeters, and it's more stiff if you have longer installations to do. It has Steinco connectors, so it's short. It goes really easily through the bends. And what I like about this system for myself when I'm doing my connection collar installs, it's the control I have. I only have this in the pipe where I can add the air and the steam, and I have the control when I turn it. I can see my connection collar turning at the same time, so it doesn't have any coil tension. So it's really accurate tool to use.